Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to change your Flutter app icon without using any package, and the whole process takes less than 2 minutes. Step 1. First, open your browser and head over to appicon.io, a free online tool that helps you generate app. Step 2. Upload your logo or the image you want to use as your app icon. Step 3. Click on the download button and save the zip file to your computer. Step 4. Extract the zip file and open the folder. Inside, go to the Android folder. You'll find all the MipMap folders here, which include your new icons. Step 5.
Copy these files.
Now go back to your Flutter project and open this path. Android app src main race. Replace all the existing MipMap folders with the new ones you just downloaded.